Hello and welcome. I am Kat, FlyLady Kat, and today we are talking about calmly taking care of ourselves and then taking care of our family. And to do this, to take care of ourselves, we have to have a routine. That means that you need to do a reset. And I've talked about resets before. A reset where you say, when am I going to do my nails? When am I going to put a charcoal mask on my face? When am I going to get a pedicure or give myself a pedicure? When am I going to take care of my eyebrows? When am I going to wash my hair? When am I going to go through my clothing? All the things we do to take care of ourselves gives us a different perspective on the world. When we are not taken care of, we become a martyr. So if you're a person who gets up in the morning, not before the family, but gets up with the family, as a mother, if you are a mother, or even a wife, you're going to constantly be pulled away from what you need to do for yourself. Mommy, can you help me with this? Honey, can you find my that? Right? So you want to get up 30 minutes before minimum if you're not taking a shower. If you're taking a quick shower, 45 minutes. If you're getting up and taking a shower and washing your hair, it might be an hour, maybe longer. You need to decide how long that takes you. But you need to be able to feel good about yourself. So on a typical day, let's say you take your shower at night. In the morning, you would get up 30 minutes before the family. And these are the things you would do. You would get up and you would go into the bathroom. Use the bathroom. Then you will brush your teeth, wash your face, moisturize your skin. You're going to do something else. You're going to wipe out the sink and swish the toilet bowl, because why not? A person who is a movie star or the Queen of England would get hers washed out every day. It takes you just a few seconds to do this little self-care for yourself. This is you. You're doing it for you. And you can also do it for your family, but you're doing this for you. Then you're going to put your clothes on for the day that you elected to wear today because you picked them out and laid them out. No, they're not in your closet and you know what you're going to wear, because you know how that goes. You open the closet and say, oh, do I really want to wear that? Because you've got all these choices now. I want you to lay your clothes out the night before. Put them behind the door in the bathroom or in a spot in your closet that is separate from the clothing all of your clothing. Maybe you have this little spot on the end or whatever. I like it to be separate so you can say, oh yeah, I picked that out. And you put that on all the way down to your shoes. You don't have to dress to shoes to be in your house. That's not something I make you do, but you need to know what shoes you're going to wear with this outfit because it's part of it. What layering pieces are you going to wear? What jewelry are you going to wear? This is part of your self-care. Do you want to put a little perfume on? When you're in the bathroom, do you want to at least put a little blush on, a little lip gloss, a little mascara? Maybe hit your eyebrows if they're thin or light? These are things that we do. These are little 5-minute things. And then you go into the kitchen and you empty the dishwasher. Why is that self-care, Kat? Because you are the one who has to look at the dishes in the sink if you don't empty the dishwasher. So I encourage you not to delegate this to one of your children who you have to beg and plead or prod. And maybe you have a great kid, but they are not even up yet. I want the dishwasher emptied. If you will time yourself, you will see that it takes 6 to 10 minutes, more toward the 6. Put your dishes away. Make yourself some coffee or something that you enjoy drinking in the morning, even ice water with lemon, whatever it is that you enjoy. That is all part of your morning routine. Next, you're going to go do your laundry, get your laundry started, so that if you have a routine of what you're going to do every day. And my routine for laundry, when I'm in a household, when I'm running a household, is on Mondays sheets, on Tuesdays towels, on Wednesdays lights, on Thursdays mediums, on Fridays darks, and if I need to, more towels on Saturday. When I was taking care of my parents, my husband and I were living there, I had sisters coming in and out. That was the schedule I followed. Now it's just Larry and I. We don't have a lot of laundry. I keep up with the laundry and I don't do that schedule. But when I lived in a house full of people, that's the schedule I followed. If you are not getting your laundry done, I don't care if it is only 2 of you or 1 of you, create a schedule. Put it on the wall in the laundry area so that you can look at it and say, what's today? Monday? Oh, sheets. That's right. I'm supposed to strip the bed today. Because making your bed is part of your self-care. Now, if somebody's in the bed, you can't make it, so I may not have mentioned, but you have to make your bed in the morning. But on Mondays, we're going to wash the sheets. We're going to pull them off and let the bed air for a while. Wash the sheets and then go through an inch of paper in the morning. All of this is self-care. Why? Because it's taking pressure off of you. But it doesn't need to be frantic. Even if you're way behind, calm yourself down. Calm yourself down. Take a breath. Blow it out. I have anxiety. I can get all torn up over things too. But if you walk in your laundry room and you can't get to the washing machine because of all the clothes in there, then guess what your job is? Sort them out by sheets, towels, darks, mediums, lights. And if you have children who you've taught how to do their laundry and they're old enough to do their laundry, my opinion, that's 9 years old, but you do you. But their laundry gets separated out and they are going to be doing their laundry at some point. So let's say you've let it get behind and you have 3 sets of sheets for your bed alone in there because you haven't washed them in a long time. You've just lost your mind. We all do that from time to time. Then you're going to wash 3 loads of sheets today. Try not to overload your machine. 3/4 of the way full will get your clothes clean and you won't be overwhelmed when you take them out. If you jam it in there, they're going to have a hard time agitating and you're going to have a hard time drying them. It's going to take longer and folding them is going to be a pain because you're going to have so much to do. Manageable loads are what I tell you to do. That's self-care. Okay, now let's wake our family up. We're going to wake our family up. We're going to put them through their morning routine. Guess how you're going to feel. If you woke up this morning and your hair is sticking out to here, your breath is bad, you have crust in your eyes, you're wearing your glasses because you didn't put your contacts on, you're wearing your PJs, you have coffee on your PJs from yesterday morning, you're not going to feel good about yourself. So when you wake your babies up, it's going to be not as nice as if you were dressed and ready and smelled good and looked good and you say, good morning. No matter what their attitude is, you're going to be more in control. If you say, good morning, and you're blowing your bad breath on them and they look at you and go, I don't want to get up. And you're going to say, well, I've got to do this and this and this and this. I can't even mess with you right now. Get yourself out of that bed. It's going to be, you're just going to be aggravated. Take care of yourself. Stop being a martyr because you slept 30 minutes too long. It destroys your day. So I want you to think about slowing down, thinking about what you're doing, reset, put it in your planner. Look at that planner every day. Look at that planner. Look at it. Look at it in the morning. Look at it at nighttime. Look at it before you go to bed. Things that are important need to be in that planner. That is self-care. It doesn't matter that it's an appointment with the dentist for your son. That is self-care because if you miss that, how do you feel about you? You feel like a loser. How did I forget that? What is wrong with me? I'm just so busy. That's what we say. Oh, I'm just so busy. I have too much to do, too much on my plate. No, you didn't put it in your planner. That's what happened. And you didn't look at it. And you know what? We're all guilty. Reset. Get it in your planner. I recommend Kimmy's planner from She's in Her Apron. She'sInHerApron.com. She has beautiful annual planners. She has a beautiful semester planner. So you can get 3 of them for 4 months each. If you cannot afford that or you don't live in the United States, you can print her downloadable calendar. It is very reasonable. If you have printer paper and you have ink, you can print yourself out a beautiful planner, one that I highly recommend. Now, I'm going to talk to you about something else. If you just can't seem to get it together, then I'm going to highly recommend that you go to my Patreon channel. Go to patreon.com and look up A Better Life with Kat. It might be A Better Life with FlyLady Kat, whatever. Just put in A Better Life with Kat. It'll come up. And sign up to be a patron. It's $5 a month investment in you. Every day I will tell you Monday through Friday exactly what to do that day. First thing I want you to do before you ever sign up is go watch How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies and take notes so that when I say do the before bed routine, you'll know what that is. Or if you don't know what that is and you've watched the video and it's like, wait, she didn't mention that, because things do evolve. Things are a little different. Occasionally I'll tell you what those things are. Before bed routine part 1, before bed routine part 2, or ask me in the comments. I'll tell you what it is. It's very short. Okay, so that's $5 a month. Every single day you'll know what to do Monday through Friday. If you're a payroll homemaker, I will tell you what's coming up that you're going to do on Saturday so that you don't do it during the week when you're tired from working. You're going to do some things Saturday morning, you're going to do a little bit Sunday afternoon, nothing hard, but I think you're going to find that it will be a self-care for you. You learn to take care of yourself by doing this. Now, I also mentor people, but you have to be a patron to be mentored. To be mentored, you can be mentored for twice a month as my protege, my mentee. It would be $50 a month. That's two 25-minute class sessions with me over the phone, just you and me talking. You can show me things on video camera, or we can talk. It's up to you what you need to do. Most people like to do the phone and occasionally go on video, and that's fine. Or they send me pictures, whatever you want to do. But I have 2 of those slots open as we speak. Now, I will tell you, the two $50 ones. If you wait or you're watching this later, they're probably going to be gone. And it will be first come, first serve. So when you go on to my Patreon channel, don't sign and pay me $50 and say, oh, I can't wait to be mentored by you. Because if you do that, I'm going to say, well, I need your phone number. So you're going to have to give me your phone number. I'm going to call you and I'm going to say, guess what? You paid me $50 and I don't have any slots available because they've already been taken. And then I'm going to not be able to refund that. I have to hold that for the next month. It makes it very difficult. Don't pay before you talk to me. So if you're a Patreon, you can send me a personal message and say, Kat, I want to be mentored. Let me know what you have available. Here's my phone number. And I will send you my phone number so you'll know it's me. And then I will contact you sometime that day or the next day. It won't be too long. And let you know. But currently, as we speak, I have a Friday 3:30 to 4 or 3:30 to 3:55 p.m. slot 2 times a week. And I also have a Tuesday 10 a.m. slot 2 times a month, which is also 2 times a month for $50. Those are Central Time. So if you are Eastern Time, that's an hour later. If you're Mountain Time, it's an hour earlier. If you are Pacific Time, it's 2 hours earlier. I also have one $100 slot. It is 4 times a month. That's 1 a week for 25 minutes. It's at 1:30 Central Time, and it's currently available. Now, when you listen to this, it may or may not be available, but I'm letting you know this. And normally on my live videos that I do on Monday, if I have slots available, I'll let you know. So let me know if these are things that you're interested in. These are for January. This month is all taken. This is for January. If you're watching this in December, I don't have any slots available. So if you want to be mentored by me, I can help you and we can get through this together. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.